Hello, it's Todd Hart here from McDonald Realty Westmar in Richmond, British Columbia. I've been working with Sam and Evolved Agents now for a few months, and I've been generating leads through Facebook using a downsizing ad. The leads have generally been roughly $3 to $4 a lead. They seem to be pretty good quality, as in a lot of cases these people are downsizing, so they have equity in their home. So, qualifying for their next home generally doesn't seem to be a problem. I actually just signed my first listing a few days ago. It's a $1.6 million property, and the seller will also need to buy after that. So I estimate the commission for both sales on my end to be roughly $25,000 to $30,000. The leads seem to be pretty scalable too. So if you want more leads, just increase the ad spend, and the quality of the lead doesn't seem to change at all. It's been a pleasure working with Evolved Agents, as they've dealt with any issue that I've had right away. Especially the Zoom calls are fantastic. I would say that listening to the other agents and what they are experiencing has been very helpful as well. And again, it's like a well-oiled machine. If you have any concerns, I would definitely recommend using Evolved Agents to help you generate leads and build your business.